Hello students, welcome to online classes of Bright Academy Public School. I hope you all are fine and safe at home. Students, our today's topic is classification of sentence. I want to convey all my students that in the part of learning grammar, all the topics are equally important because grammar topics are interconnected. So let's begin our topic. We are beginning with the classification of sentence. Before we begin, we should know what is a sentence. A sentence is a group of words that makes complete sense. Group of words, okay, a sentence is a group of words that makes complete sense. It begins with a capital letter and end with the full stop, a question mark or a mark of exclamation according to the statement. As you see the example, when we begin a sentence with a capital letter and end with a full stop, then only it is our complete sentence. Got it? There is Ayush is going to school. Is it start with a capital letter? Yes. And end with a full stop? Yes. So this is our right sentence. Now see the next. Did he come in the party? Now we can notice that formation of this sentence is changed. It is asking a question but ending with the question mark too, but still it is giving a complete meaning. So this kind of sentence is also called a sentence, but the kind will be different. Okay. Now the next is, oh, I am undone. As you can see that at the ending with exclamation mark and the formation is again changed, so it is also another kind of sentence. So students, on the basis of their pattern, sentences can be divided into 5 types. How many types? 5 types. As you can see here, how many types of sentence? There are 5 types. First is assertive sentence, interrogative sentence, imperative sentence, exclamatory sentence, and optative sentence. Do you know that assertive sentence is divided into 2 groups, affirmative and negative. So let's begin with the assertive or the declarative sentence. Students, do you know the assertive sentence is also known as the declarative sentence? Come see. A sentence that state or declare is called assertive और declarative sentence. वो सेंटेंस जिसमें हम एक सिंपल स्टेटमेंट देते हैं, किसी के बारे में कुछ बता रहे हैं, ऐसे सेंटेंस को हम assertive sentence बोलते हैं. See, assertive sentence is divided into 2 groups. First is affirmative, it is also known as positive, and second is negative. In affirmative sentence, it is our positive statement. Okay, Ramesh is a doctor. We are declaring something. We are giving a state of a Ramesh. Soumya is a kind girl. I go to school by van. Now see the negative sentence. Negative sentence contains not, never, and no. See the example here. Ramesh is not a doctor. In affirmative sentence, we say Ramesh is a doctor. This is a positive sentence. And here we say Ramesh is not a doctor. We use not. Whenever we use not, no, not, never, that sentence, that statement is called negative. Got it? Now see the next. Soumya is not a kind girl, and in affirmative there is a Soumya is a kind girl. I do not go to school by van. Students, note that these sentences end with the full stop. These sentences end with full stop. So that's all for today. In next class we will study about more type of sentence. Till then, bye bye.